Introducing the ICMneo, the next generation portable partial discharge measurement device based on over 30 years of partial discharge success of the ICM series from Megger, a standalone, battery-operated solution engineered for quality assurance across a comprehensive range of high-voltage assets. Designed for factory acceptance tests, according to IEC 16270, as well as online and offline field tests. The device delivers high-precision diagnostics through a user-friendly and intuitive interface. Leverage effective noise gating to block phase-stable or phase-independent interferences. With up to 5 hours of battery operation, its robust, standalone design ensures reliable performance in the factory and in the field. Prevent asset breakdowns and ensure quality assurance by identifying insulation defects at the earliest stage. The ICMneo, intuitive, powerful, portable PD diagnostics.